Hi, my name is Svetlana. I'm your language coach with 12 years of expertise. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to conjugate Russian verbs easily. Let's go!
Okay, what I'm going to explain here, it's a very practical way to learn Russian conjugation, how to conjugate the verbs in present tense. We are going to need a verb, читать, to read, читать. We are going to need some cards with pronouns like he, she, it, I am. We will need the endings because Russian, unlike English, needs the ending to conjugate. We are going to start with this word читать. Читать, it's infinitive, like to read. We know it because of т. All words with т are verbs, infinitive verbs. I'm going to take scissors to cut this part off because whenever you conjugate, you don't need т. So т means to read, and we are going to put it away. Now we have the base, чита, чита. And next step is very easy. We take one of pronouns, for example, я. Next we put чита, a stem, чита. And we choose ending. For I, я, we need ending you. Я читаю. Я читаю. It's not correct to say я читать. It would be I to read. We need I read. Я читаю. Я читаю. We change I, and it means that we need to choose another ending. Next one, it's ты. You, ты чита, and the ending ешь. Ты читаешь. But take into account that ты in Russian, it's only for singular person. Not you guys, but only you. When you're talking to one person, ты читаешь. Ты ешь. It's not correct to say ты читаю, because it would be to say I, you read, because I, я читаю, ты читаешь. Next one is он. Он читает. Он читает. He reads. Just like in English, when you say he reads or she reads, we do the same in Russian. We say он читает, она читает. Doesn't matter if it's masculine or feminine. The ending is yet. Он читает, она читает. Next one is мы. We, мы. Мы читаем. We read. Мы читаем. It's easy to remember because мы starts with M and читаем ends in M. Мы читаем. We read. Вы, in this case, it's you guys in plural. Remember the difference between you, ты, one person, and вы, many people. Вы читаете. Ете. Вы читаете. You guys read. And the last one, they, они читают. They read. Okay, let's practice. All you need to do is to choose a pronoun. If you don't have enough time, just pause the video and then check the answer. Let's start with читают. Читают. What pronoun we need to put here so that it would match the ending ют? Они, right, они. They read. Они читают. Okay. Читаешь. What pronoun is that? Читаешь. Ты читаешь. You, singular. Ты читаешь. You read. Ты читаешь. Читаете. Ете. What do we choose? Вы, you guys, plural. Вы читаете. Вы читаете. Читаем. Ем. Remember about M. М. Читаем. Мы читаем. We read. Мы читаем. Читает. Он. It can be он читает. He reads. Or она читает. She reads. Both are right. Он читает. Она читает. And the last one. Читаю. You. When do we use you? Right. Я читаю. I read. I'm gonna give you a word to conjugate. Играть. If you can, make cards just like the ones that I have here. It's very easy to make them. Don't forget to do the same as we did with читать. Don't forget to get rid of те. And
if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comment section. Bye!